Have you ever walked in and thought, man, I just absolutely, I don't want to be here. I don't want to do this. I don't want to make another call. I don't want to lean into my calendar. I don't want to lean into, you know what? I just don't want to do it. Have you ever been there? Have you ever told yourself, I don't want to do it, or heard yourself say it? I can think about times where, we just came off of a holiday weekend and it's like, oh my gosh, I wish I were able to not be here. But guess what? I'm going to plug in, lock in, and do the work. And there was something I heard this last week that I just wanted to share. It was a great encouragement because it's so easy to fall into the trap of I don't want to. Man, if there's anything else I could do, I just don't feel like it. Today's not my day. I'm making calls and I'm reaching out and doing the work, and I'm not getting results, and I'm getting discouraged. And I hear little guy on my shoulder, the noises or the voices saying, man, is it really going to work? Is it really worth it? Is this something that I really feel like I'm called to? And here's what I want to encourage you: you're not alone. Everybody feels that. I wake up on a bad day. Carl wakes up with a bad day. Sometimes there's a bad week, but here's the difference. When I don't feel the feeling, and I hear those noises in my head, or my body doesn't feel like it. The thing that we have to remember is a couple of things. Number one, you're a leader. Leaders lead. Guess what? Leaders get to have one bad day. You don't get to have two. And what we lean into is not feelings, but the discipline of being a part of a community that says, I'm counting on you. That's what I love about the 8-week boot camp. That's what I love about the MMA Jumpstart and our Freedom Club and the community that we have, is whenever I know that you're counting on me, and Sarah's counting on me, and Keneith is counting on me, and Nate is counting on me, and Anya and Lisa and my team is counting on me. It helps me lean in even when I don't feel like it. And here's the phrase that I heard last week, and I just thought this is something I wanted to share, because let it be an encouragement to you. But when my mind and body say no, when my mind and body say no, maybe I'm not feeling up to par. Maybe my kids have had a horrible day. Maybe I'm fighting with my spouse. Maybe something negative has happened. When my mind and body say no, I tell myself it's just what I do. Hey, this is just what I do. And when the feeling isn't there, we have the ability to overcome the feeling, the thoughts, the push against, hey, I don't want to be there. I don't want to show up. I don't want to do the work. Guess what? Because our ability to break through is what transforms our business, and it transforms our life. And my encouragement is this: when your mind and body say no, I want you to start telling yourself, write it down, put it on your computer, put it on a screen, put it on your desk. Hey, listen, when my mind and body say no, I tell myself, hey, it's just what I do. It's just what I do. I just go to Call Stars. Why? It's just what I do. I lean into my calendar. Why? Because it's just what I do. It removes the chaos. It makes me show up when I don't feel like it. I go even when the feeling's not there. I live structured. Why? It's just what I do. I make my outbound calls. Why? It's just what I do. I ask for the business when I don't feel like it. Why? Because it's just what I do. It's just what I do, because I'm committed to my life and lifestyle and the freedom that my family deserves, to the goals, and what the fundings and the closings do for me is they provide the financial security. They give us the ability to be able to make a difference in the lives of our families and the people in and around us. And so whenever I don't feel like it, when my mind and body say no, it's just what I do. Let it be an encouragement to you, regardless of how you woke up, how you felt, whatever's going on in your life. Just know this: that when your mind and body say no, it's not time to quit. It's time to lean in and know that feelings are fickle. You've got what it takes. You're worthy. You're enough. You can do this. Lean into our community. Yeah, that's what I love about our 8-week boot camp. It creates these micro communities of, hey, I had a horrible day. Well, guess what? You got a tribe of people that are counting on you, leaning into you, and that helps us push through. And hey, if you want to know more about that, by the way, go to loanofficersuccess.com, loanofficersuccess.com, fill out some information. Myself or Krista will reach out to you. But this really came out of one of our calls this last week. And my encouragement to you is this: when my mind and body say no, Um, I tell myself it's just what I do. You know what? It's just what you do because you're a winner. You're worthy. You're enough. Get up, show up, lean in. And as you do the work, your feelings will follow. We don't follow feelings, we follow the right activity, and feelings follow. Remember this, anything worth doing is worth doing badly. Just get started. See you.